I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, stay on top. I do it like it's my last shot.
What's up? We got a antenna in from Ronin factory for my 2016 F-150. Honestly, I wanted to buy this for a while. I just never justified it because I didn't feel like spending the money, but I got entered in to win some money or a truck. I don't know if you follow them. So it's a little unboxing, I guess. Let's see what else. Alright, so not much. Just a little antenna. Let's see. It's supposed to be super easy. Let's see. I guess this fits two different models. Has the thread. Let's see that. It has this, they say, like anti-theft lock. It's probably just like Loctite or something. But some stickers. They do a pretty nice job of packaging. So I'll show you putting this on my truck. Alright, so I'm just taking a wrench. I'm assuming I can just break this loose. Obviously, make sure you don't hit your car. I figure once I get it loose, I'll be able to just hand loosen it with my fingers. Okay, so that did take a minute to get out. I would just break it by hand, or break it with the wrench and then try to do it by hand so you don't accidentally hit your truck or put a cloth down or something. And then I have, you can see how it focuses. There's a yellow end and a red end. Directions say to put the red end into the antenna and the other end into the truck. So just got that on there. Screwing that in. I don't know how you tell how far. The other thing too, people try to get this facing out, so sometimes it takes some trial and error. Okay, well, all that, oh my god. I guess screw this on pretty decent. Maybe so there's no red. Okay, I don't know what people are having problems with because that was the easiest thing ever. I mean, I just got that first try, so I think it will keep just spinning if you really wanted it to. But I'm pretty happy with that. Definitely cleans up the look a bit. Alright, so I've had no problems with the antenna. Bluetooth works fine. All the radio stations work fine. Haven't had it on there long. I bet in some cases the reception's not going to be as good. But, I mean, I usually use my Apple CarPlay or just the Bluetooth or whatever anyway, so I don't think I should have a problem. Cleans up the look a bit, and if you hit like tree branches and stuff, it's not, the antenna is not going to be flying around. Honestly, that antenna was annoying me for a while, so I'm pretty happy with that. So if you're thinking about it, go for it. And I got entered into win a little contest, truck, maybe some money. So, I mean, what's the worst that could happen? But thanks for checking this out, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.
I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay